So which stick vacuum is better, the Shark Clean and Empty or the Shark PowerPro Flex Reveal? Well, these are both the best stick vacuums that Shark makes right now. They both come with self-cleaning brush rolls and Shark's Power Fins Pro technology, which will literally grip and pull hair out of your carpet. But the Clean and Empty has a smaller dustbin, so you're emptying it way more than the PowerPro Flex Reveal. But the biggest difference is with the Clean and Empty, you can't really get under furniture and in those hard to reach spots. But the Flex Reveal will actually bend right in the middle, so you can get under furniture and in spots that you've never cleaned. You also don't have to worry about having an achy back after vacuuming under furniture anymore. With the Flex Reveal, it will also disconnect at basically every point of the vacuum. It comes with 3 modes, a mode for hard floor, carpet, and it even has a trigger for max suction. The Clean and Empty also only has 40 minutes of runtime when the PowerPro has 50, and the amount of suction that this thing has is honestly insane. Now, usually the Shark Clean and Empty is 400 and the PowerPro Flex Reveal is 3. Check, they only had a few left in stock. So if you want to grab the best stick vacuum that Shark makes and you see a link in the corner of this video, I would run and pick it up before they sell out again.